Welcome to the Bentley Systems training course, where we are going to show you how to model structural members in RAM elements. In this video, we are going to be focusing on using the templates supplied with the program. RAM elements comes with several standard templates designed to assist you in generating a model or part of a model. These templates can automatically generate nodes, frame members, and descriptions. In this exercise, we're going to show you how to use the templates that were supplied with RAM elements to create your model geometry. Generating framing using a template is a three-step process. First, you're going to have to model the nodes required by the template. Then you will select the nodes in the order required by the template. And then lastly, you're going to select the template and enter the appropriate parameters. So to begin, we're going to go to our Nodes tab and our Coordinates icon, and we're starting a fresh model for this exercise. Then we're going to model the nodes required by the template. Once you've modeled these nodes, we're going to deselect all of them just by clicking anywhere in the display area, and then we're going to select the nodes in the proper order. For the template we're going to use, it wants us to select the bottom chord members and then the top chord members. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to select the first node, second node, and third node of the bottom chord, and then the first, second, and third node of the top chord. Once I have the nodes selected, I'm going to go to the Home tab and the ribbon and then click on the Templates icon. Now, if you're wondering how many nodes you're going to need to create for each template and what order they should be selected, all of that information is available in this Templates dialog. You can see here, every time it has a number, that's a node that should be created before entering the template, and the order that the node should be selected is also indicated. For this exercise, we're going to go with a pitched roof structure, and we are going to select the Roof Truss 1 option. And you can see I created all my nodes beforehand, and I did select them in that order. I'm going to double click on the tool that I want, and then I'm going to enter some information here. Now, I do have some information here, also a note to be added in case you need additional information. So the number of segments that we're going to create is 3, which basically means 3 segments on each side of the truss. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and click OK. And now you can see that we very quickly used one of the templates to create some model geometry. Now here we could just continue modeling using all of the other skills that we used in this training course to develop the rest of the model.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.